Greetings. I'm Dr. T.S. Hord, an educator, leadership coach, and systems strategist.
And I'm Jess Zanikos, a learning designer, leadership coach, and former school leader.
We're so excited to share our South by Southwest EDU 2026 panel picker submission, Coaching as Care, Creating Space for Voice and Impact.
This session is really personal for both of us. I've spent years coaching educators and leading schools, and I've seen how powerful coaching can be when it creates space for real reflection and agency, not just compliance or checking boxes. When we root coaching in curiosity and student work, it becomes the catalyst for meaningful change.
Yes, and in our work, coaching thousands of leaders across different systems, what I've seen time and time again is this. Coaching doesn't stick unless people see it and try it. That's why in this session, we'll model a live coaching conversation using real student work. And then, just as important, you'll practice those same moves in real time.
Exactly. We'll unpack high leverage strategies like naming what we notice, asking powerful questions, and making space for agency. Then we'll invite you to try it in the supportive space, reflecting on how it might look in your own role.
Yeah, we're going to grapple with big questions like what does it take to hold space for voice, clarity, and impact? How do we move from advice giving to inquiry? And how can coaching support collective leadership, not just individual performance?
This session is for coaches, teacher leaders, principals, anyone supporting adult learning and trying to create conditions for reflective, aligned, student-centered growth.
And now, more than ever, instructional coaching that centers humanity, care, and real practice is essential. We're not just talking about a feedback protocol. We're talking about providing feedback that promotes equity, sustainability, and growth.
So if you're looking to deepen your coaching practice or just want a space to reflect on how you support learning and leadership in your context, this conversation will meet you there.
So we're looking forward to being in community with others, thinking about this work with care and intention and a commitment to growth.
Thanks for listening, and we hope to connect at South by Southwest EDU.